Hello. This is your Florida weather guy. Thank you for tuning in. Just coming to give you just a quick update in the radar. We got some heavy rain going out there right now in the Seminole area, Largo, Clearwater, Dunedin, Palm Harbor, Safety Harbor, and also Tarpon Springs. There, by the National Weather Service, there was a special marine warning with embedded thunderstorms possible, some water spouts. I'm going to pull up to share my screen. Hang on a second, and we're going to go here, and we're going to share this. This is the current radar as of 5:02. This is the area of rain right now, but this is the area, some heavy rains coming in. It looks like some possible hail in that line that is coming through our regional weather area. So just be on the lookout. It's almost here, and some pretty good rain, even some small hail embedded into this line. That's this purple that you're seeing right in here. Right now we don't have it. It's currently 71 degrees in Largo. The humidity is 92%. Dew point is at 69. The winds are from the south at 8 miles an hour. There is some gusts up to 24. The barometer is rising at 29.92. Visibility is 7.8. So that's due to all the heavy rains coming in. But we're going to have some heavier rains coming in with over probably an inch of rain, which we are drastically needing that. If this line holds together, there's a 1% chance of a tornado, 7% chance of severe weather, 1% chance of hail, and 70% chance of wind. And it should be in the area, the Largo area, up toward Clearwater by 6:04 p.m. Over the next hour from 6 p.m. down to 11 p.m. tonight, 70, and then going down to 60% by 11 a.m. or 11 p.m. Sorry, not a.m. And I can hear the thunder out there still. It looks like tomorrow we're down to 40%, and that's going to be good for the St. Pete Grand Prix race down in St. Petersburg, which is down here. They're getting ready to get the light rain right now. But the good news is the purple is slowly decreasing. Can't hardly talk today. Sorry about that. Decreasing to just a lot of heavy rains and stuff. So yeah, it has decreased. The chance of tornadoes have went down considerably, down to 0% chance of hail, and only 2% chance of wind, and 2% chance of severe weather. So this is our latest. And we're going to be sucked in with rain. All this area right in here is going to be moving all the way into Tampa, and you can see quite a bit out into the Gulf. We got some some storms ahead of the main line right here, this mesoscale convective system right here. We got some storms that are firing up that are moving into Melbourne, Vero Beach, just east of Winter Haven, Titusville. Orlando's getting light rain. Daytona Beach is getting moderate rain. Some moderate rain just north of Leesburg and Cedar Key. Let's look down. Oh, down south, we got some renegade thunderstorms. They're firing up pretty good. They're going to bring some heavy rain, some lightning along with these. But the main line is right here in Tampa, St. Pete, Sarasota. You may get on the action later on this evening. Okay, let's stop this and let's see what the future radar shows. Okay. Yeah, this is the special marine warning for the coastal waters from Inglewood to Tarpon Springs. Coastal waters of Tarpon Springs, Shawnee River, and Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Tarpon Springs out to Shawnee River and 60 nautical miles at 5:15 Eastern Standard Time until 5:15 Eastern Standard Time, which is probably about 12 minutes from now. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located a line extending from 24 miles nautical west of Andoki to west of Indian Rocks Beach and 43 miles north of Animal Key, moving northeast at 30 knots. The hazards are waterspouts and gusts of 34 knots or greater. This was radar indicated. Make sure you have life jackets on there. Higher waves and frequent lightning and downpours. Make sure all are on board are wearing life jackets. This is for including locations packed include Clearwater Pass, Anoki, Clearwater Beach, Indian Shores Reef, Courtney Campbell Causeway, Indian Rocks Beach, Dunedin, Port Richey, and Tarpon Springs. So this is mostly for northern Pinellas County. A special marine warning in effect until 5:15 p.m., which expires in 5 minutes. As we've seen on the radar, the line has weakened considerably. So, with that being said, let's take a look. Let's move this back and let's see what the future radar is going to do. Okay, let's take this back and this is at 6:37. It's right in the Tampa Bay regional weather area. There's still some other areas out there. And we may have another rain just south of in southern Pinellas County. This is at 11:30 p.m., 12 a.m., 12:30, 1 a.m., 1:30, 2, 2:30, 3, 3:30, 4, 4:30, 5, 5:30, 6, 6:30, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 9. So the future radar showing around 9. We're going to still have some scattered stuff, some clouds left over from the rains from this afternoon and this evening into early tomorrow, Saturday morning. So with that being said, it looks like overall early afternoon and mid-afternoon, late afternoon tomorrow for downtown St. Pete. For downtown St. Pete, looks like you're all in the clear for tomorrow. This is mostly tonight, and then early tomorrow, cloudy. But I think for the most part, we're in the clear, and Sunday is going to be beautiful. Let's see if we could. Let's see how far this. It only goes to. Wait a minute. This is tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow Yeah, the higher chances starts in the morning around. This is for Saturday. The higher chance is at 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Then by 7 a.m., it goes down to 40%. That's typical, like our afternoon thunderstorms here in Pinellas County with the sea breezes. 40, and then by 11 a.m., so that's 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Then by 11 a.m., then we go down to 30%. And then by two to all the way through the night, anywhere from 10 to 20% chance. So basically, around 9, 10, 11 at the most, we should see our majority of our rain be dwindling down to our typical afternoon thunderstorms with our isolated variety. So that has been your updated forecast. I'll be back later on this evening, tonight, for overnight. Rest of overnight, we'll take a look at the radar again, and also we'll look at the future cast for tonight and into tomorrow morning and see if there's been any changes updated. We'll also look for Saturday's forecast, and then we'll also look for the race day forecast. Thank you for tuning in. This has been your Florida weather guy. I just want to bring you a brief update of the possible water spouts that have now considerably has dwindled down to below severe limits, according to the radar as of right now. I'll keep you updated throughout the evening and into tonight and for tomorrow's forecast. If there's any new watches warning or advisories that come out, special marine warnings or anything like that, I will first let you know. I'll see you later on this evening for overnight forecast and for Saturday's forecast, and we'll look in detail for Sunday's race day forecast in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.